Welcome to the Avenue Collection. I'm Carrie Packin.
And I'm Mark Foisey Jr. We are with the Chen Agency.
And today, we're excited to introduce to you Residence 321 at one of Port Imperial's most sought-after waterfront buildings, Building 1200. This ideal 2-bed, 2-bath layout presents nearly 1,300 square feet, as well as beautifully updated designer finishes.
This is your opportunity to call the 1200 building your new home. So give us a call for a private tour, and in the meantime, take a look around.